Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at the YEARN finance or YFI, currently ranked at 156 with a market cap of about $276 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $108 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for uh, YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So without further ado, let us push to the chart. For the month of uh, November, we are up about 46% right here for YFI to the upside. And going to the chart right here, we're on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame, and Binance is the lead source, right? And we want to look at the price prediction right here for the month of December right here for YFI. And one of the things you can see is that AI predicted that push to the upside in October right here for YFI, also predicted this whopping huge push to the upside right here in December, even though we weren't expecting that push into the $15,000. Our AI was saying we could get into this $11,000, $12,000 level. We even saw prices push above that level. So as you can see, our AI has been getting it back to back to back as regards our price predictions right here for YFI. And we have our price predictions right here for YFI for the month of December. And basically right here, our AI is still bullish right here on YFI, and then we should be expecting to see YFI right at that $12,507 level, right? And so our AI is basically right banking on some sort of a Santa rally, which with a high probability we could see right here for the month of December, right there for YFI, right? That could see YFI push up another whopping 47% in the month of December. That could see YFI right there at that $12,500 level for the month of December, right? Mind you, our AI basically uses predictive analytics and regression analysis, which means it sort of computes all the past data and tries to just forecast where we could see the price of that asset. And we are expecting to see prices at around that 12,500 if we see a Santa rally right here in YFI in December, right? So we are very bullish in December, right? Our AI very bullish in December, and we are expecting for the upside, right? So let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think we could get into that $12,500 level right here for YFI in December, right? And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.